Let's all just take a moment right now and just praise God for making cheese. Hello everyone. Also, of course, today apologize about the dishes that I have on my sink in the background. I had just finished washing all of those dishes and I honestly did not feel like putting them up. So again, I apologize. But let's jump right into the action here. So first I started off with, it was a little less than half of a roll of breakfast pork sausage. My husband likes the pork sausage mixture with the ground beef, so that is what I am doing today. This pack of ground beef was 1.75 pounds and I used half of this pack. And again, you guys, I am washing my hands since I just finished handling some raw meats. You do want to make sure that you regularly wash your hands and stay clean during your cooking process so that no one gets sick. In my opinion, it's a little harder to season ground beef than it is other meats. It seems like maybe the grease absorbs some of the seasoning. I'm not sure, but it may look like I'm using a lot of seasoning on the ground beef, but I'm not. I mean, once you mix everything together, it's not salty at all or not too seasoned. So you guys will see me using two of my staples, which is of course onion powder and garlic powder. And then I have this accent season, which we actually just purchased on today. It's really good. I do recommend you guys going out and purchasing it. It's not salty at all. And the bottle says that it has 60% less sodium than the traditional salt. So again, it looks like I'm going crazy with this seasoning, guys, but it's ground beef, so I have to do what I gotta do to make sure it tastes good. And lastly, another one of my staples is just some black pepper. I don't like to heavily season this meal, especially since there's sausage in the meal. I feel like it's already pretty salty. So that's pretty much it for the seasonings, guys. So now I'm just going to mix together my ground beef and sausage mixture along with the seasonings, just to make sure that I get these seasonings fully incorporated into all of the meat, because we want that good flavor in every bite. Once you get those seasonings fully incorporated into your meat mixture, you want to cook this meat on medium heat for about 15 minutes or until it's brown, just depending on how quickly your stove cooks. After 15 minutes on medium heat, your meat should look this color, brown. Delicious. It's smelling delicious in the kitchen, y'all. Please wash off the tops of your canned foods or your canned drinks before you consume these products. So I'm just going to open my can of rotel. I will be using the liquid as well because it does help thin out the cheese consistency a little to my liking. Now I'm taking a 2-pack of the original Philadelphia cream cheese, and I'm going to show you guys how to open the package. I know it sounds stupid, but My husband spent like 5 minutes trying to open this package the other day, and it is so simple. So just take a look at this for 1 second. Now I'm just going to chop up this cream cheese with my fork and just throw it in the pot. This does not have to be done in any particular way. You just want to make sure that you have all of your ingredients in the same pot, and then you just want to melt down your cream cheese and just wait, y'all. Come on over to my sink with me, guys, and let's drain the grease from this ground beef. If you take a look down at the sink, you see a lot of that grease is dripping into the actual sink. Now, this would normally be going into your body if you skip this step. So if you want to be a little more health conscious, I would definitely take this route. If you guessed what's next, we are adding the ground beef to this pot. Once you add your ground beef, you can go ahead and cover your pot, and you can choose to melt your cheese on a low heat or a medium heat. But as you can tell, mine is on high, and that's just because we were starving and ready to eat. So once you have some of your cheese melted, you just want to go ahead and mix everything together because you want all of your flavors to combine as one. Now, at this point, if you guys want to get creative with this dish, you can also mix in some type of shredded cheese. A shredded cheddar cheese is really delicious in this if you guys wanted to go that route. Or if you want to add in a block of Velveeta cheese or whatever your favorite cheese is, get creative with this dish. I'm pretty sure it'll be good. Cream cheese can be a distinctive flavor, and it can be a bit overpowering just depending on your tolerance for it. So if you're not a huge fan, I would suggest to definitely let this simmer. Let all of your flavors cook together so that everything can be combined, and it does kind of mask the cream cheese taste a little, and it just cooks together really well. Now you can choose whatever type of chips you would like. Today we're just having some regular corn tortilla chips, but we normally have the flaming hot Doritos with it, which is really good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe, and again, thank you guys so much for the genuine support. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your loved ones, and you guys have a wonderful day.